it's easy because both of them are forms of storytelling. I think in a talent, yeah, man, you money now. Yeah.
Like
it's not like a federation.
And I haven't been around, so I'm not really sure of what's going on. But what I saw online, I tweeted about it and gave my thoughts about it. I think all these guys are very talented people, and it was maybe just the heat of the moment. But I know that they are phenomenal people and they're talented people. And everybody here has been saying that the message should be for love, consideration of each other's feelings, respect, and moving forward when we have that in the industry. I look forward to having a very peaceful industry. Yeah.
Let's talk about one last question. Let's talk about fashion today.
Fashion, yes.
Yeah. What's your opinion about fashion today? How you have seen the dress code? How people have dressed?
Yeah.
What do you talk about fashion?
I think fashion in Uganda has come a long way. There have been so many pioneers who have done a great job. You can't separate art with fashion. Like they go hand in hand. You cannot tell a great story without telling how a person dresses. So even in rap, we first describe how the person is, what the person is dressed in. Are they dressed to kill? Are they impoverished? You never know people a story. So today you're seeing people dress their best. More baboon forest fresh. Thank you so much.
Mariam Ndagire Film and Performing Arts Center alumni. Can you Mufapa people stand up? Yes. Thank you. This is yours because if I didn't have you, but these young people have given me fresh blood to be in this industry. And indeed, I didn't make a mistake to be here. I've already celebrated 2, 3, I don't remember. Some of my alumni have already won. Doreen Mirembe was here. Oh, okay. Katongole Henry Nathan has already won. Yes. And I know. And my mom was kind of supportive. But there were some negative vibes on the side. And she got confused. She told me to leave the industry. And I had to leave to go to a boarding school where I could not do this. I'm sad that she's not here today. She went to be with the Lord. May her soul rest in peace. But I know she's seeing me and saying, there is my little girl. Along this journey, I found very many people who have helped me walk this. I found Honorable Katol Wama. I found Ashraf Simogerere. I found Abem Chibi. I found John Segawa. I found Suna Peter. Suna, where are you? This belongs to both of us.